svenska kusten skär ska jag fira julen här på Hawaii. Ensam sjöman är långbrott svenska kusten skär ska jag fira julen här.
To check out another area of the hotel. Let's go. So I finished check the room. So let's check out another area. So the hotel itself is just next to the main road, and the room that we're gonna stay is just in front of the hotel with the pro access. It's quite long and big hotel, so we're going to check out another area. So they have a kids club. They have like a kids pool there. Like a kids section for kids to play. A small they have big slider there. I want to check out. Let's see. Oh, I think I can play. Ski. Continue to another area. Wow. So many things to see. Now we move on to another area.
Ensam sjöman är långbrott svenska kusten skär, men det lindrar ej hemlängtans död.